Howdy, y'all. It's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with 52 weeks of favorite photos. And I'm also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. I am still continuing to use the Be Happy collection by Echo Park. And I actually have almost completely used it all up, which is great. I think I have one more layout to make for the month, so I think I'm gonna make my goal of actually using all of my pieces up. So I created this title on my Cricut. It says Be a Gardener, and I apologize for my voice because I'm sick, so I'll probably do a lot of fast forwarding in this video for things instead of just chit-chatting with y'all. And but this is my photos, and these are, I think, from 2 years ago for my garden, my sugar snap peas and my turnips, which Brooke calls potato of lies because we substitute it for potatoes sometimes. And I have a whole pile of embellishments. So this one, it was made by Ruth Campbell in Canada. I love it, Ruth. And I honestly forgot I had it. And then I pulled out my garden embellishment drawer, and there it was. So I'm going to use this. And then I have this whole little pile of embellishments, and they all came in a little pack. But I don't know who made them because none of them are signed. But I don't know for sure. I've had them for a while. They came in this little baggie with this piece of tape, and this kind of looks like something that Lori Hunter, I think it was Lori Hunter, used to create. She would send me all kinds of little goodies, but it may not be her. So if you sent me this in a swap on Ginger's group, maybe even a year or two or longer ago, leave it in the comments so we can give you credit. So I have some scrap pieces, and I did not cut any of these to size. So these are just the scraps I have, and I'm going to pull together and use. And I thought I would do a little bit of mixed media to kind of just pull it all together using my Distress Oxides with mustard seed and weathered wood, and go from there. So I have some bubble wrap because since I'm continuing with the bee theme, I thought this would kind of leave something a little bit, do something a little bit different. So I have that, and so again, I will just fast forward while I do this, and then I'm just going to work on laying things out, and I'll be back. guys, so there's my layout. I'll probably do a little bit of journaling maybe down here with the day, the basics. But I hope that you guys enjoy this and that it inspires you, and that you will go and check out everyone else playing along with How to Kill a Kit and with 52 Weeks of Favorite Photos, which, if I didn't say, is hosted by Miranda Weber over at My Scrappy Life. So, thank you guys for hanging out with me, and until next time, bye y'all.